Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get an Audi R8 in GTA 5. Start by locating a nearby Los Santos mod shop or safe spawn point and save your game progress before attempting any spawn or purchase. Use passive mode when testing spawns to avoid interference from other players. Keep a quick teleport or garage route ready so you can secure the vehicle immediately once it appears in the world. Start by cruising in areas known for supercar spawns, like the rich neighborhoods and highways. Park a comparable supercar, exit, and stand nearby while observing traffic for a fresh spawn. Patience matters. If nothing shows, switch sessions or quick save and reload to reset the world. Always have space in your garage or plan a tow to avoid losing the car to despawn mechanics or hostile players online. Quick recommendation: if you like clear game audio or want background beats while cruising for cars, the Echo Dot smart speaker is a compact pick with surprisingly big sound and voice control that pairs nicely with gaming setups. It fits on a desk or shelf and adds atmosphere when hunting spawns or chatting with crew. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you find a close Audi R8 styled vehicle for sale, compare handling and top speed before purchasing. After buying or capturing the car, head straight to Los Santos Customs to upgrade engine, brakes, and armor, and change the visual to match the R8 look. Always save the upgraded car to a personal garage and insure it if possible, so it remains safe from despawn, theft, or accidental destruction in online sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.